tayo sa momentum. And I have to go back. Because it's not recording. Hindi na-record yung gusto kong shot. I keep on talking kanina pa. Hindi na-record yung gusto kong shot. I have to do it again. Stick it here. Two shots already. And that's how I do my short vlogs that I post. Mga 70% jogging, 30% yung mag-record ng moment. Look at my shadow. Kanino pa lang pagod na yan. Pero bawi naman tayo sa view. Look at the view. It's so pretty. Kaya mo yan. Gusto mo yan. Oh. Okay guys, pabalik na tayo. Yung pacing ko so messed up. It's okay. At least I'm doing it, right? Let's finish this run. Ang init na talaga sobra. Piling ko pa na naman piniprito. Sarili kong pawis. Let's go. I don't know if I look weird or anything. Pero parang bilang siguro sila sanay na may nagsasalita, hawak yung camera. Probinsya things. Okay, ba mag-vlog while running? Oh my God. Anyway, you do you. This is how I do mine. It's already past 8 and I'm still here. Taking my time while walking. Kapit lang naman yung venue. So, take my time. I'll take my time. Grabe. Hindi talaga okay na mag-run ka pa ng 8 a.m. onwards. I don't know. For me, ha. Sobrang init na niya. Pero okay naman. Kapag naka-adjust na yung body temperature mo, okay naman siya. Hihingalin ka lang talaga ng bongga. But so far, so good. Sana rin yung kilikili ko. Kita niyo yun. Oh, may nahuli si Kuya. What's that? Kuya, ano yan? Parang snake. Hindi ko alam kung ano yung nahuli ni Kuya. Ano ko siya nang alam kasi pictures. Pero it looks strange. Siguro mahulog dyan. Kaya pati mas marami na lang yung salo.
Hả madam? Có madam?